Hey guys, Nemo here. So this is my first time recording a video here on our oldies Nemo Dreamscapes channel. So here you can see how a day in my life goes and how I'm making my videos. As you can see, I have here Adobe After Effects, and here is one of my most famous videos, the one with the oldies playing in the car. I did a lot of research doing this, searching for songs, searching for type of magazine from the 50s and 60s. This is a Nashville car. It's from an very old magazine. So what I did, I chopped the windows out, and here, as you can see, I am putting those famous Z's that I put in all my videos. I also show you here how I test out the Santa Claus hats on the mom and dad. Also, I'm trying here elf hat and so on. Okay, for the Grinch doll right here, let me just zoom in a bit. You can see that I masked out the hand of the boy so that Grinch stays in his hand. Let me fit the screen here. Okay, what else did we do? Okay, here I tested out some blankets. I put some blanket over my girlfriend and made a photograph of the blanket, and then chopped that blanket out and put it over the children so that they would be covered up with that blank. But I also changed the color of the blanket. Damn it, the blanket. Okay, let's see what else. Okay, here I tried with the snow, because you know that windows tend to get some snow in there after a blizzard or some, and when it snows a lot. As you can see, everything is separated, every layer, every bit of everything that I do is separated, is researched, taken from lots of hours of work, of research. Here I also put some frozen windows, some frozen flowers, or like flowery feather type. Okay, here I added some snow, some falling snow that is in the distance. I don't know if you guys can see it really clearly, but I bet you can see this one. This one I made it a bit inclined, a bit angled, so that you have that sense of movement and that it goes in that direction, the car. I had to check the speed of everything and that it should be accordingly. Okay, then I added some free footage background of snow. And this funny thing, this is from a train video. Okay, what else? Let's see. Oh yeah, those oldies old, how do you say it, old noise that's on top of the video. I tint it a bit with an adjustment layer that I put all over on top of all the layers, so that you can it's different. It gives that warm feel and that cold outside feel at once. I try to emulate that. After this, I am checking the audio with the music and the ambience, and see how to fit them together. I always watch the video and leave it aside while I work on the audio, so that it gives me that immersive feel, so that I can imagine as I'm looking at the image. I have to have that feeling of being there, and that the ambience fits exactly like it should. Okay guys, so this is it for this video. I will show you more videos if you want, similar to this one, and if you're really curious about how I'm making all this. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and remember, there's only one Nemo's Dreamscapes. By the way, I also released a new album, a Christmas album with relaxing music, piano versions of some of the most beloved carols ever. The album is now on all media platforms online. I am primarily a musician, if you didn't know that. I am playing piano, guitar, and am also a composer. If you want to see how I make the audio for this video, I will make another part with just that. I also want to mention the fact that the songs used in my videos are songs that have their copyright expired, since most of them are over 80 years, 100 years old. I do a lot of research in that, and I gotta tell you that that is the hardest part. Everything I use is in fair use, but more on that in the new part of this video if you want that. Until then, I wish you a very Merry Christmas, and I want to thank you all so much for supporting me for over a year and a half now. Thank you so much. Thank you to all my loving supporters, my loving patrons, without whom this channel wouldn't be around anymore, and to all the people that donated and encouraged me to keep going with this and keep this wonderful music and wonderful channel alive. Much love to all. Yours truly, Nemo.